What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. It is January 1st, 2024. Happy New Year's. And as you saw in my previous video, I switched over some of my rigs to Unmineable. They're no longer on Nicehash. And one of the big reasons why is the Bitcoin transaction fees. So I'm having to mine up a significant amount before I actually take a payout because the transaction fees are so high. And some people are like, oh, we'll just change it to another coin. That's not available in my country, so I can only get paid out in Bitcoin, unfortunately. So yeah, I'm stuck with the high transaction fees. Now in the past, Nicehash had a deal with Coinbase, and you were allowed to do like almost instant transfers, and it was zero or really low fees. But now the fees have gone up. Now some people are like, oh, we'll use the Lightning Network. And I can't find anywhere on Coinbase where it says it supports it. The only thing I can find was back in September of last year, 2023. Feels like it's still 2023, but it's not. It says Coinbase it is primed to integrate the Lightning Network. Release date has not been confirmed. So yeah, if somebody does know how to use it on there, the last thing I want to do is try to use it. Or sorry, the first thing I want to do is try to use it. But yeah, I can't actually find where you can actually use the Lightning Network on there. So that's null and void. But let me flip this around and show you guys what kind of fees we're paying. So I've been mining to this wallet for a little while. We have 0.0037 Bitcoin, or 374,699 Satoshis. That's right now worth $169.13, riding on the Bitcoin network to my Coinbase Bitcoin wallet as a deposit. And to send it right now, up to 24-hour processing time. And the fee is $4.51. I don't know if you guys can see that. So that means out of my $169, I'd receive $164. That's fairly significant. That's a bad fee. To put that in perspective, the Litecoin fee to send a transaction is pennies, not dollars. That's straight up dollars. $4.50. We could grab a burger with that. Not a big burger, but you could grab a burger. So yeah, that's one of the big unfortunate parts. And one of the driving factors for me to kind of step away or step out of the Nicehash ecosystem. It's super easy. At times it's super profitable. It auto converts to Bitcoin, which I like Bitcoin. It's just got the issue of sending that Bitcoin. And I mean, we've all, joked about it in the past. If you're an OG, you know about old Nicehack back in the day. They got hacked and lost everybody's money, and then they slowly paid it over time, and it was a nightmare, a disaster. A lot of people never even got their money back. So leaving a lot of money in Nicehash always makes me wonder. Now, am I going to stay on Unmineable or go to another service? I'm not sure. For right now, I'm just pointing my rigs to Unmineable and getting paid out in Litecoin because the fees are super low and I can get my payouts super fast. So I can get my payouts, every day, if not earlier than every day, and my fees on it is like nothing. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at right now. And yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. If you have another alternative for, not profit switching, but auto conversion, I'd love to hear it, and maybe I can test it against Unmineable. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys for coming out. I did want to announce that I will be doing a video on drawing the winner for the December PC build, and then the January PC build. All the parts should be in for that the end of this week. So we'll either live stream or video that, and then that giveaway will be live. So yeah, looking forward to it, and really appreciate you guys. All the love, all the support, that kind of stuff. It goes a long way. It really does. So anyway, y'all have a good night. Happy New Year. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace. By the way, this is my first video. I've recorded it in 4K 60 FPS. I'm going to get it up to 5 minutes, which is another 5 seconds, and pray for my upload.